Well, how do you think we try to make the city safer?
I understand, but I'm
by
talking
traffic stops.
Yeah, traffic
stops. And here's the other thing. Like, I know sometimes people think like we're pulling people over for window tint or like a turn signal or stop sign. Sometimes that's how you get like drunk drivers. Okay, that's sometimes how you get murderers. That's sometimes how you get guns. That's sometimes how you get kilos.
I understand, but listen.
Today's video is going to showcase a lot of very good police work and might also dispel some myths. Most notably, the myth that K-9s are trained to give false positive hits because they're trying to get a reward. These officers do an excellent job of controlling their traffic stop, ensuring the driver remains happy and compliant, and demonstrating their knowledge of case law. They'll stop a vehicle for window tint and call a dog for a search. Pay special attention to how the driver treats the officers at the end of the stop. Thank you for watching.
We're 1A. Oh shit, I need your flashlight. Fuck. You got an extra one? No. Fuck. How you doing, sir? I'm Officer Ward with Columbus Police. The reason why I pulled you over tonight was for the window tint. Okay? Can you go ahead and roll that also down for my partner over there? Any firearms or anything in the car we need to be aware about?
No.
Okay, you have your driver's license on you?
Huh? Both of you are talking to me, huh?
Sorry.
Go ahead and go with him first.
So go ahead on your passenger side, if you could roll it up just a little bit for you, and he's got a window tint meter. That's good. Oh.
Perfect.
And then you got your driver's license right there? Thank you, sir. He's gonna check it for you real quick.
Check what?
The tint.
Oh, the tint is good.
It's 12%.
So in the state of Ohio, anything under 50, if we can't see in, it's illegal. Okay, so it's a legal tint. All right.
The front
The front.
is lighter than the back.
He just said it was 12%. Okay.
It might be like your back might be 0, but up front is 12. So your front drivers and passenger side like have to be able to see these so we can see in and 50% or above.
Okay.
With the front, I'm saying the front is lighter than the back, so you can see clearly through the front.
We couldn't see in. Okay. And he just showed you with the meter. Okay, it's a legal tint. We do that. We do this every day.
I can do it on the front so you can see the reader, since you can't see it from over there.
Well, you can do both of them. You can do the front.
Here, roll this one up, and he'll bring. We're not lying, okay?
I ain't say you know. I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm just saying. I know the front is lighter than the back.
But it's illegal. The level you have it at, it's illegal. If you want to come over here and you can show them real quick.
That's my registration, man.
You got proof of insurance?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't never ever. They ain't never said anything about this tint. This tint is lighter than the.
Where'd you get it done at?
The factory.
Right here. Look. Anything under 50. If we can't see in, it's illegal. Okay. I'm not making it up. Okay. Trust me. We write people for tickets. All this stuff. It's actually an impoundable offense. We can impound your car right now.
In the back windows, it could be as dark as you want. It's just the front driver, front passenger.
We deal with it all the time. Trust me. Okay. Here's your registration back. I'm good on that. You got proof of insurance you're checking for me?
Yeah. That's right.
Okay. Nothing illegal in the car or anything though?
No.
Okay. Where you heading to?
I'm headed home.
Where's home?
On Holt Avenue.
Oh, it's not Buckingham?
That's where I live at. But I'm going home.
Is home on Holt or Buckingham? That's
Home is on Buckingham, but I'm going.
You said you're heading home.
I'm going somewhere else.
Okay. Alright. Here's your registration back. Alright, thank you, sir. That's good, thank you. Just stay in the car. 7-0, is there any K-9 available?
K-9 in channel 6, K-9 in channel 6.
K-9 5.
K-9 3 or 5, car 70 is asking for a sniff at Airport Leonard out of 10-6. Okay, K-9 3, I'll put you on it. K-9 5, disregard.
52, Victor.
Copy to
You guys
Victor.
good?
Yeah, we're just having a dog come out.
Okay.
He just seems kind of nervous. He said he was heading home,
Okay.
and home's on 7 Precinct, but then he changed his story. Well, no, I'm going somewhere else, and he's been on federal paper, and he's got like drug trafficking charges and stuff like that.
Okay.
So we're just gonna wait for the dog. Well, I'm filling this out. If the dog gets here in time, you know.
Yeah.
Can you go up there and ask for a phone number and see if he already showed me his proof of insurance? See if you can get his phone number.
Yep.
Thank you.
Here, can I see the light? What year is this? 16. You like it? Have you always been a Cadillac person? Did they sell it to you like this? They did. So, where'd you buy it from?
Kia dealership.
When was it recent or?
No, it's not. I had it 9 months.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, I mean, you might be able to go over there. Cause they might have said like you're buying it as is because you bought it used, but you might be able to go over there and be like, hey, I got stopped. They said it's supposed to be at 50%. Can you strip it and do it at 50?
50%, 50%,
50. So, no, but it tested at 12. So anything under 50, it'd be illegal, and then 50 and over is good.
What you mean 50? I don't understand from 50 and to 12. You talking about,
Like it's the visibility.
what percent? You said 50 what? 50% or 10%? You said it's supposed to be 50%?
Right. So
K-9-3.
So it's supposed to be 50%. That's like the threshold. That's a limit. And it's the percentage of visibility. And so it's at 12. Yours is at 12. So it's under 50. So then it would be illegal.
See, that's what I'm saying. I don't understand where the 50 come in. You said 12, but then you said 50, like 12%, 10%, and then you said 50. What's 50?
I don't know who said 10. But so the legal limit is 50%.
Okay.
And
What's mine? 12%?
yours is 12. So it's under the limit. So, or if you could view it, it's over the limit. Anything over 50. So if it was like 51, 52, 53, 70, then you'd be good. Anything under 50% is where it's illegal. And yours is 12.
12%.
Right.
12% is under 50%.
Correct. Anything under 50% is illegal.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Because it's like the percentage of the visibility.
Yeah,
It's kind of like backwards, like if you're thinking about it. But you know what I mean? Yep. Okay. All right, so I'm going to have you step out the car, okay? You said you don't have any weapons on you or anything, right?
No.
Do you mind if I pat you down?
No.
You don't mind?
No.
Okay. Can you just turn around for me real quick? And just put your hands behind your back. You're not going in cuffs or anything. This is just how we pat people down, okay? Appreciate it. What's your last name again?
Clark.
Mr. Clark. All right, Mr. Clark, we're going to step over here, okay?
My husband's standing all the way to the back corner of 7.
Okay. We're just going to hang out right here. They're running a dog around the car, okay? You said there's nothing illegal in there?
Nah, man.
Okay. All right.
Nothing in there, man.
I got you. Then we got nothing to worry about. And we're not going the impound route.
But I'm saying, what's the dog for?
Because they've tasked us with doing like a direct patrol in the area. So on traffic stops, we're allowed to call a dog to do a free air sniff. And then if he doesn't hit, then you'll be on your way. We got to give you a ticket, but you'll be on your way, okay?
So, okay, I got you.
You know what I mean?
That dog.
Malinois.
Malinois, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Malinese.
Is it?
Malinois?
It's spelled like Malinois.
Malinois,
It's a
yeah.
hard word for me to say.
Yeah, I was looking to get into one of them.
They're expensive as fuck.
They are, but they're like the most obedient.
Yeah, they real hard job.
Pretty sure that one's from Belgium or Austria too.
Oh,
They-
yeah.
They come trained from there over here.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, they nice. I was looking into them.
Yeah.
Guard dogs, yeah.
Do you have any dogs right now?
Yeah.
What do you got?
I got a cane corso, and I got a
King Corsas are dope.
Yeah, they look scary as hell though.
and I got a little Frenchie booty.
Frenchies are the best. Huge.
You have a Frenchie and a King Horse?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Are they best buddies?
Yeah, they best buddy.
Does the Frenchie run the show though?
Yes, he's a couple months older. You know what I'm saying? But he run it.
Yeah, that's sweet. What color is the Frenchie?
Black. They both black.
Like straight black?
Straight black.
That's sweet.
With the tuxedo.
Oh, yeah.
Go for it.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You can get back in the car if you want to, brother. He might be explaining your ticket to you, actually.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, man.
Here, sir, if you want to come up here real quick. Okay, man, so we charged you with the window tint violation, okay? You can go to court if you want to, okay? The court date's on February 26th at 9 a.m., Franklin County Municipal Courtroom 1A is in Akron. Or if you want to pay it, it's waivable too. Do you have any questions?
No, I'm freezing right now.
Okay, here's your driver's license. I'll give
Like
you your
I said,
copy.
we're not trying to go the impound route, but we gotta
Yeah.
do the ticket. But we don't want to take the car, and then it's more of a headache.
I'm talking about the car crew. How y'all get this right here? Y'all come with all this, man? Our city is a wreck,
Part of
man.
our job is enforcing traffic.
Our city is a wreck, man.
Well, how do you think we try to make the city safer?
I understand, but I'm
By
talking
traffic stops.
About, yeah, traffic
Traffic
stops.
stops. And here's the other thing. Like, I know sometimes people think like we're pulling people over for window tint or like a turn signal or stop sign. Sometimes that's how you get like drunk drivers. Okay? That's sometimes how you get murderers. That's sometimes how you get guns. That's sometimes how you get kilos.
I understand, but listen, it goes to it's like a certain cell. Okay, we're gonna go this way. I mean, we're this far.
Do you still live on Buckingham?
Yeah.
What's going on in Buckingham that you can help us with?
What's going on?
That we can help you.
That we can help you with? What's going on over there?
Oh, you talking about in the area?
Yeah.
Man, my burning is.
I know, it's bad. I know.
Yeah.
I
My burning is. You know what I mean? I can't go through there.
Well, we
Oh, you feel
get arrested there all the time.
Yeah,
You know what I
And then
mean?
a lot of those kids from like Trevitt and Sawyer and everything, like they're running around stolen cars, and we try to
You
get
are
those
free to go.
every day.
By the way, I know.
Yeah.
Just so you know,
Yeah,
just because
yeah.
we are on camera, you are free to go at this point. Okay?
Okay.
Because I given your copy. Okay. I just want you to know. But we could keep talking.
Right.
So-
No, I gotta go to work in the morning, man. I gotta get out of here. I appreciate it.
What do you do
man.
for work?
I work at the supply house.
Okay.
Supplyhouse.com.
You like it?
I love it.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's your
Okay.
name?
Ward.
Ward.
Yeah.
What's your name? Phil.
So we work down there too on Mount Vernon.
Oh yeah. Oh
Our
yeah. What's
company was
okay.
advised
Yeah,
that
yeah.
any orders
Okay.
needed, we'll just
If you ever need anything, holler, man.
Okay, I appreciate it. No,
How long
Yeah,
you been?
man.
How long you been on federal paper?
off.
How long have you been on it? Because it
I'm
says you're
off.
on it.
No, I'm off.
Oh, you've been off it.
Yeah, I've been off.
I
Like,
gotcha.
I've been off a year now.
Okay.
It's a year. I've been
How
off.
long did you?
How long what?
How long did you have to do?
2.5 years.
Yeah. Well, that's good, man. So
Yeah,
work's
I'm
been
up.
good for you.
Everything good. You know what I mean?
That's good, man. Well, if you ever need anything, holler at us. Okay.
Okay, I got you, man.
All right.
All right.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah.